we have victory over Satan. Daog na ta against kay Satan. Pildi na laan ng si Satan. Wala na siya power sa tuwa nga mudala sa tuwa sa impyerno because we are washed in the blood of the Lamb. And in Revelation chapter 12 verse 9 to 11, mo ni ingon sa Bible. And the great dragon was cast out, that old serpent, called the devil and Satan, which deceiveth the whole world. He was cast out into the earth, and his angels were cast out with him. And I heard a loud voice saying in heaven, Now is come salvation, and strength, and the kingdom of our God, and the power of his Christ. For the accuser of our brethren is cast down, which accused them before our God day and night. No? Ang accuser na si Satan is on sa ingon dire, mo ni ang pinaka-comforting nga dapat nato mabalaan, that ang Satan, ang devil, is i-cast out na siya